Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money, build credibility from this website, which is called Internet Pro Club. My name is Kuda. So the first thing that you want to do when you actually visit this website is actually to sign up, to create an account. Okay, you just hit the sign up button and then you fill in these details and then you enter this capture code and then you just click sign up. For you to be a member of the platform, you need to be verified. So you're going to be given instructions on how you can actually verify your account before you actually do anything. So the first thing that you'll be asked to do is actually to set up your profile. Like when you sign up, you need to set up your profile. So at the end of the day, once you set up your profile is going to be looking like this. You can have your image and you can have your cover photo, and if you want to have this tick as a verified user, you just send an email to hello@internetproclub.com and say, hey, can you please verify my account, and then you're going to do a manual verification of your account. So on the about section is actually set up your account within Internet Pro Club. Here you're going to be given options whereby you set up your biography, whereby you set up quite a number of things, and here you need to state some of what you do, like an introduction of what you do, get people to know what your business is all about or who you are. And as you can see right there, that my profile right there has got my website, it's got my social links, my social links, like people can actually click and connect with me on social media. You need to make sure that you actually input all those fields, so at the end of the day your profile would look like this. I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of why you need to set up your profile, and let me show you what other people have actually done, and which is what I don't recommend. So if you take a look at this profile that I have here, it's just a profile, it's blank, and it is just an email address. So you may need to write what your business is all about right there. Please do that because it's going to help you to connect and make money online and actually build credibility. So once you're done with that, with the setting up of profile, the first thing that will help you to make money online, especially as a beginner, is the training platform. So just look on the page where it says training, and once you click on that, you're going to land on the training where you're going to see different modules about different ways of making money online. We'll be actually updating this information as we actually go. So there's module 1, module 2. Here there's a proven path to start working from home, teaching English online, affiliate marketing, online jobs, social media management as a business, and all. So the training page has got a number of trainings that can actually help you to get started with actually making money online, especially for those people that are actually getting started. So let me show you some of the things that I really want to show you so that they can help you to build credibility and make money. So the first time you land on the Internet Pro Club website, you see that it's a website that people come and ask questions. So people are actually asking questions. As you can see, there's a lot of questions actually that are actually going on here. So someone is asking about Forex, someone is asking about how long does it take, and different number of questions that people are actually asking. So the number one way to build credibility is to answer these questions. Okay, is to answer this question. If you know the answer to this, you just click on answer. And like for instance, myself, someone here was asking, the question here was, hey there, which website are the best to acquire Amazon gift cards? And I know the website, and I've actually given an answer that says, how are you? You can use ATM and you can use Pax. Okay, I've given the answer. So if my answer is valuable, it's actually worth it. Some people will actually come here and click on my name, and they're gonna go like, hey, who is this KudaOnline who has just given valuable information? So once they click there, they're actually gonna come and check out my profile within Internet Pro Club, and they're gonna see, okay, Kuda is all about this. I wanna connect with Kuda. They just click on my social profile, they click on my website, and they go to my other website, which is called KudaOnline.com. So if you've got a website, you can actually add it there and make sure that you give valuable answers when people are actually asking questions. So that's way number one of actually building credibility, because by that, when you build credibility, when you give valuable answers to people will tend to want to give you business, okay, and want to give you money. Let's say someone is having a technical issue, you give them a solution, they can as well say, hey, can you actually do it for us? Okay, so that's number one. Let's go to number two. Number two is blog ideas and video topic ideas. Okay, so if someone comes in and asking which website are the best to acquire Amazon gift cards, okay, and someone here is asking which website can he use to buy Bitcoin in Zimbabwe, and someone here, is it possible to create a blog is it possible to create a blog page solely depends on guest blog posts? Okay, a lot of people are actually asking questions. Is forex trading and binary trading legal in Zimbabwe? So if you have a blog website, you need to write blog posts, you're running out of ideas. So here's a cool tip that you can actually use. If people are actually asking, if someone is asking this question, that means a lot of people are actually asking that same question. So if you've got knowledge about Amazon gift cards and how they work, your next blog post would be, here are 5 best websites to acquire Amazon gift cards. Okay, so you actually write website number 1 is good for this, is bad for this. Website number 2 is good for this, is bad for this. So you have actually a blog idea. And another blog post idea, you can actually say websites that you can use to buy Bitcoin in Zimbabwe. It can be a video, it can be an article that you can actually write on your website. So all these are articles that you can actually be writing. A lot of people are coming to ask questions. That means a lot of people are actually looking for that question now and in the future. So if you actually write articles to answer these questions and you make them a topic of your blog post, that means you're actually going to be answering quite a lot of people's questions in your website. The blog post is going to make more sense to people. Okay, so that's actually number 2. Let me move on to another point. So before I move to another point, what I want to tell you is this website Internet Pro Club is mainly aimed for people that are located in Africa, especially in Zimbabwe. And if you write content which is within the region of Zimbabwe, you're going to get much popular faster, because a few people are actually writing about these topics on the internet. So you may need to consider doing videos and articles about the topic. So make sure your articles are actually giving people a guide of how it works, which is simplified. So let me move on to another point. Another way of actually profiting from this website is promoting affiliate links in your answers. Okay, promoting affiliate links in your answers. I'm going to give you an example. Okay, this person is saying, hello, which websites you can acquire Amazon gift cards? So this is my answer. Okay, if I can actually click there to give this person the answer, I'm going to show you the way I've actually answered that question, and so that you understand what I mean. So this person is asking, and here's my response. How are you? You can use ATM website to buy Amazon gift cards. Another website is Paxful. So if you look at these are actually links. Okay, that is, if someone clicks on this link, let me just click on this link. It's actually my affiliate link. These two are actually my affiliate links. If someone clicks that, they're going to be redirected to the website where they can actually buy the Amazon gift cards. And as they do that, if they actually, as you can see here, it says accepting of invitation by Sabi. That's actually my email. I've actually referred this person to this website, and if they create an account, they buy from this website, I actually get a commission. Okay, so anyone can actually answer the questions and add your affiliate links. Make sure your answer is very valuable, and don't just spam affiliate links there, because your answer can actually be removed. So let me show you another example of a friend of mine who has been actually adding affiliate links there. So here is again someone who is asking a question. Great, I love them. However, I hate great lessons. I love them. However, I hate most of guys saying PayPal transfer funds Now there are some similar platforms that are no longer registration in Zimbabwe. What are your options? How can I receive funds doing online jobs in Zimbabwe? So a friend of mine, Grinze, is actually saying, hi, Pioneer is a great way. So you see there's an answer that adds value, and he's saying you can actually register with Pioneer below, and this this is his affiliate link. And if someone signs up for Pioneer, that means Greens actually gets a commission. Okay, so that's another way that that you can actually use by giving answers in brief and then sending them to where people can actually find the solution. You actually get a cut. That's another way. Let me explain another way as well. And this is another question that someone has actually asked. And in this one, the method of actually making money from this platform is actually by building backlinks. Okay, backlinks are going to help you to increase your authority for your website. Okay, that's a little bit advanced for some people, but you understand this when you're actually going through the lessons as you grow older in internet marketing space. So someone is asking which affiliate marketing programs are better for Zimbabwean to consider. The payment method is currently Skrill only. Okay, so someone is asking a question. They want affiliate program, and there is my good friend Greens. He says, hi Pablo, there are a number of affiliate programs which you can actually join that pay out in other ways. I use Pioneer, so he explains that he uses Pioneer to receive his money, and then he adds a link to Pioneer, like I explained in the previous point, that this is an affiliate link. I also wrote an article, 21 different affiliate programs that you can join without a website, and a lot of programs listed there that will pay you in your Pioneer account. So Greens is actually giving people a small brief answer, and then at the same time he's actually referring people to his full article that is actually written. Remember, in another point I said you can actually get blog ideas. Okay, so if I click here, it will take me to the website by Greens, and this is his website. It says 21 affiliate programs that don't require a website. And then Greens went on to explain the 21 affiliate programs. So these are the programs. As you can see, he's giving reference as well to the program, to the websites, and these are all his affiliate links. Okay, if you click there, you pay, you join, you make money there. Greens actually makes a cut, makes a commission. So Greens explains all the companies that people can actually work with and get a commission. So I wanted to see how Greens is actually is actually moved from just an answer and people coming back to his website, and then people coming back to the solution that they need. So this is Greens giving an answer, people coming to his website, and then people clicking there. As more people actually coming in, his website, which is called influencer.com, is going to build a lot of authority. So that's actually what it means building back. Another example here is what I've actually done here. Hi guys, is there a way to register Skrill on a dealer these days in Zimbabwe? So Skrill recently stopped taking registrations in Zimbabwe, so people are looking for an alternative. So what I then did is I actually wrote an article, okay, and it says it explains the other alternatives that people can actually use based on this question. So how are you at the moment? You can't open a Skrill account from Zimbabwe. Read this article about Skrill in Zimbabwe. So I actually gave an answer and say you cannot do that. If you need more information, go and read my website. So this is actually my website, which is called KudaOnline.com, and I was now explaining the alternatives that Zimbabweans can use, which is not Skrill. Okay, so I explained why the Skrill no longer work for new accounts. I communicated with Skrill. I explained the details, and here I explained who uses Skrill in Zimbabwe, what is it used for, and I explained that Bitcoin is the first one alternative and ATM is the second one, and I just give a small write-up that explains in detail the alternatives that people can actually use. So as you can see, where you see all these links, they're actually affiliate links and all the different text that I've actually added there. So that's actually, again, building backlinks. Okay, building backlinks, you can get people to look at your website based on the question that they're actually asking on Internet Pro Club website. Let me just go ahead and show you another tip. So another way that you can actually benefit from Internet Pro Club is you're going to get what is known as search engine. You'll be actually ranking your answers, and your contribution to Internet Pro Club will be ranked on Google searches. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually, let's say I'm actually a new person who is actually coming on the internet. I'm looking for information. Okay, so just Google these words from your computer. You will see what I mean. So I'm going to type in how to use Skrill in Zimbabwe, and then I'm actually going to put enter. So let's say it's someone that is actually checking how to use Skrill in Zimbabwe. So of course the first website is mine, which is called KudaOnline.com. But if you scroll down, you're going to see that this website right here, this website right there is Internet Pro Club website. Okay, so if someone clicks that means Internet Pro Club website is actually getting found on Google. Someone is looking for answers on Skrill. So as you can see, someone was actually asking, how does Skrill work in Zimbabwe? And this question alone had about 1,000 views. Okay, actually 1,000 views. And as you can see, that Vincent actually gave an answer to that. Okay, Skrill is just like an online wallet. He explained what Skrill is and how it works. But now the thing for Vincent, he didn't actually add any links to any website, which is okay, because at the end of the day, he can actually build authority. A lot of people are gonna click his name and want to know who is Vincent, okay, and they can actually connect with him. And again, if he wanted to, you can actually write a small write-up and refer people back to his website with a full answer. So you actually get ranked on search engines for your contribution. Okay, so that's another way. Once you get ranked on search engines, that means you build authority, and that means more sales will actually you actually get more sales to whatever you're actually doing, and you can actually get leads. Okay, so let me just show you another last one that you can actually use on this website. So Internet Pro Club basically is a community of entrepreneurs, people that are like-minded, people that are coming to give answers, people that are coming to learn, people that are doing different things on the internet to make money. Okay, so someone may be doing forex trading, someone may be doing MLM, someone may be doing web design, someone may be doing graphic design and all that. So when you actually connect with people that are like-minded, people that understand what you're doing, you can actually get much faster, get your results much faster. Okay, so one of the things that you can actually do is to actually ask a question on what you need. Even myself, I always also come and ask questions because I don't know everything. So I use this platform to ask questions and get others to give me answers that I need. So this is a community. Currently, we are actually sitting at 227 members, 227 users, people that are actually using this website, as you can see there. So what you can then do is, if you need to connect with any one of these people, like you want to build your network marketing business, you can actually check out these people if they are interested in what you're doing. Or if you need a service, if you need something done, you have a business that you're actually doing, which is online, and you need help, and they can just come here and actually ask, hey guys, I need advice on XYZ. I need a website done. How best can I do it? And people are actually going to give you best advice, and you just check their answers, and you can actually connect with great service providers there. So there's quite a lot that I could have shared about this website, but for now, let me just end there. There's a lot that you can be doing on this website to just increase your brand, increase awareness. At the end of the day, it's going to lead you to making more money. So as you can see right there, I actually come here and always answer questions. As you can see, KudaOnline edited an answer, KudaOnline edited an answer, Sam edited an answer, KudaOnline edited an answer. Anyone can actually come and ask and give answers. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So I've also added a link to the website. It's called internetproclub.com. With that being said, I look forward to hearing your feedback about this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.